My biggest strength is probably that I'm organized, I'm on time, I'm clean, and I can work under a timeline. I'd say my biggest success is that making cakes here has gotten other people have asked me to make things for them, so it's kind of like just spread a little bit. I've been made things for other people, mostly just family members and stuff, so hopefully that one day it will turn into a business of my own. I love cake. I like to eat cake, I like to make cake. Carrot cake's okay, but I mostly, if I was gonna make a cake for myself or anyone in my family, it would be chocolate on chocolate. Any kind of chocolate, as long as it's chocolate. And a little more space. It's harder to work when it's crowded and working with other people. I'd like to have my own table and clean and organized. Coming here has taught me things that I haven't known before and helped me with other skills that I've already learned, but how to perfect them. I bake all the time, so I just would send things in like for different things, made everyone in my family's cakes and things like that. So it just kind of helped me become better at the skills. I actually was just Googling a school that had baking and pastry, and I found this one, came up here and took a tour, and everyone was so nice, and then I just was like, okay, I'm gonna come here. I guess other people have told me that I should go to school for it because I do it all the time and for everyone else just because. So they would say, why don't you go to school for something that you love to do? So this was it. So that's kind of just was like, okay, I'm gonna go for it. We're making a 50s style anniversary cake, so it'll have lots of draping and swag on it. It's gonna be white on white, basically just an anniversary cake. Draping, you know, goes around around the edges of the cake, lots of piping, lots of details, yes. We start with the cake, then we already prepared our icing, crumb coated the cake, then we'll go back and I'll put the next layer of icing on, the finished layer, and then I'll go back and do all the details and trimming into it. Depending on how detailed it is, like I really, when I picked out my design for my cake, I knew the timeline that I had, but I guess it just depends on how much time you could go really detailed if you had all the time in the world, but for 5 hours, I made sure that what I presented is what I can get done. I just picked doing it too because that's what I love and I'm passionate about it, so I figure I might as well follow and do something that I like and not be stuck doing something that I don't enjoy. It's an art, but then I hope it makes money for me, so then I would hope it ends up being my business, and then definitely even if I wasn't in school I would be doing it anyway, so it's always been a part of my lifestyle.
That's a wrap.